What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. My name is Tango and I'm with Alex today, sneakerhead in the bay. Today, I want to show you how to draw maple leaves and bamboo. Okay. And I'll kind of show you why I just kind of paired it up together, because one, maple leaves quick to draw and the bamboo have similar leaf shape. So they kind of go together. And I can't show you without showing you how to draw too.
That's right.
Let's go ahead with maple leaves first.
Okay.
Then we'll go over to bamboo. I pretty much covered cherry blossom, lotus, chrysanthemum, peonies, and now we're at maple leaves and bamboo. Maple leaves and bamboo goes really well with tigers.
Yeah, I was going to ask when you use maple leaves versus like...
Maple leaves, you can put it with dragons. Maple leaves, you can put it with everything, but when it comes to bamboo, tigers and stuff that's related to bamboo, maybe a panda and bamboo, you know what I mean? Stuff like that. A monkey, I don't know.
like forest animals.
Yeah. But yeah, let's start off with the maple leaves. So once again, you're always gonna start with the middle point, a circle, and a dot in the middle to start off. Then you're gonna have your one longest leaf, and let's go like this way, and then your little leaf, right? Looks like a little peace symbol, I think. Is it?
Looks like a person, like a stick figure.
Then you got the stem.
Okay.
Then next to, starting from here again, you want to make the outer leaves of the middle leaves. Then from here, see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 in each side, 1 middle. Alright, you can start from anywhere really, but sometimes I like to start from the middle. But this is the stem. This middle one, stem, middle one. Pull it back. That's your first leaf. Maybe I'll move this just a little bit over to give it room. See how you're just going right back to the center?
I think this one looks fairly simple.
It's almost like a cherry blossom, but you just change the leaf. I kind of don't like how this leaf is going that way a little bit because it throws off this thing. I'll just change the direction. And let us know if you guys enjoy these drawing videos, because I feel like if I were to do a big project, it's too soon for Alex and you guys, because I'm hoping when we're doing these small ones, you guys can follow too and learn from it. And if you're learning how to be a tattoo artist and stuff, and in the Irezumi side, this is probably really good content for you.
Yeah, we're fairly new starting with the videos, and I've already been getting DMs of people saying that they're trying to get into tattoos and they're learning on their own. So hopefully these videos, once they're up, they help you guys. And if there's anything specific that you guys want to see, then just drop a comment down below.
See, now I'm just rounding up all the leaves. Do I want to make round ones? Let's just make it all perfectly round. So that's one, right? Look pretty fair. So start with a dot and a circle, and then you kind of from here, like a slice of pizza, but come out to the leaf. You know what I mean? See how all the leaves come back to its starting point? Let me show you another angle. Then we can make a final, and we're done with maple leaf. That's how fast it is. Dot and a circle. But this time, we're not gonna go open leaf, we're gonna go half. Still, you have to start off with this, and then from here will be your first leaf, and right here will be the stem. There's a circle right here, but we're only using half a circle now. So the next one would be right here, and right here, and right here. So this is a leaf falling sideways.
Oh, okay.
So there's a full leaf and a leaf pulling sideways, and you just kind of like, now using it as a drawing, you have some leaf that's falling flat, and there's some leaves that's kind of a side view angle, and it mixes it up. I just drew this one a little bit bigger, but it's fine. All right, I'm happy with that. Also, if you want to make this leaf even more details, you can add the other petals in. It's a side angle, but the other leaves on the other side showing too.
I see.
You can have that and this, so it's 3 designs. All right, let's just finalize it now. And if you guys have any questions as I'm drawing, just comment below. Alex will look into it.
right back.
Alex will look into that. So we dimmed the opacity down, started a new layer, and let's just finalize this maple leaf. I feel like I need to make the leaves more rounder. It's kind of like flat. Like leaves like this is perfect for the next drawing, which is bamboo. But I feel like maple leaves needs to be a bit. It's really up to style. I just looking at it, it needs to be more plump. Yeah, make the leaves a little bit bigger. Now looking at it, looks better, right? Just widening the thinner leaves. But if you were like, hey, I want to add a little bit more style to this leaf, then you can add like little bends to it, you know? Just give it a little bit of a details. Give it some life. And that's it. There's the maple leaves. Let's go to the next one. Too much of a bump because I went way out just to see how it looked, and that didn't go too well. Maybe a little bit more like that is fine. And let's just add one more leaf right here. But look at this. See that middle line where the dot is? Pull it out.
I had a question about the leaves being curled up. Is there a certain rule? Because like I see how you curled it on this side, this side, this side, and then this one is...
I only curled it because whatever the drawing that I started with gave me an opportunity to pull it. Because if I erase this part out, this leaf, this side's straight, and this side has a little bump. So taking that little bump opportunity, that could have been a bump in the fold.
Okay.
Get it?
So whenever it's like...
So when I'm actually adding in those things, I'm looking for like, say, look at this leaf. I didn't do it. Where would you put it? Well, you can basically start from, say, here and end it like where that bump is, or you can start from here like that. Now it's a double bump. Yeah. Using those little bumps is allow where you can add in new thing. If you guys are wondering like, why did he just go like this and like that instead of straight? That's because when I'm drawing these leaves, it gives me an opportunity to put in style. If not, I don't need to use it. I don't need to. But if having it straight too works, because you can go like this. But having a bump that ended there and you bump out, it just gives it like an actual better shape to it.
Looks like it's meant to be.
Yeah, and this is the back of the leaf, so you can't really have the leaf fold backward. But what you can do here is look. Because that is now the opposite leaf and it could have folded in like that. And then once again the middle's right here and it traces back to here. Look, see, all the lines come back, because knowing that, what you do is when you shade, you can shade to the line, and then this side you leave a gap and you shade this side. And that would have been a quick shade for maple leaves. You're basing it off the line to pick one side and shade close and leave a gap.
So you follow the same shading pattern for the other leaves too?
Yeah, look. I could have shaded this part. And then this side, just do a light middle shading. That's it. But smooth, you know? But yeah, this is maple leaves. Get it? Understand it? I just finished drawing the maple leaves. And I'm gonna have actually Alex go in and practice and show you his struggle.
Let's start off with a circle. This is my first time drawing a maple leaf, so we'll see how it goes. But just going off of what I just learned, we're just gonna follow it. So let's see. The one thing I remember right now is the stick figure. So go up like this.
Let's put more pressure on him.
Dude, this is already too much pressure.
Yeah, 4 eyes, everyone's looking at you, man.
Jesus
Come on,
Christ,
pressure
bro.
to the max.
Jesus Christ.
I'm for pressure on you guys too for watching. You guys are being watched now through this lens.
We're just doing a rough sketch right now, trying to figure out where things go.
Alright, now go over all the leaves, even them out. It looks cool. Now just shape them. The bottom area looks pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So reshape the upper part. Maybe this leaf gotta be bigger. Remember,
Wider.
the middle one gotta be the longer one and more bigger. Okay. And now these two are supposed to be mirrored, so make them even with both of them being same
Same size.
Same everything. You get it? If not, fix it here where you lower your opacity, you don't fix it. The next layer should be perfect for outlining.